Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Water molecules are polar. We must identify ions X and Y based on their orientation in this solution. Let's solve this chemistry puzzle. First, remember that water is a polar molecule where the oxygen atom carries a partial negative charge while the hydrogen atoms carry a partial positive charge. This polarity dictates how ions interact. Looking at ion X, the red oxygen atoms are pointing directly toward it. Since opposites attract, a negative oxygen must be surrounding a positive cation. Therefore, ion X must be positively charged. Look at ion Y. The white hydrogen atoms face it, meaning ion Y is a negative anion. This makes option A the correct choice. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs carefully and trust given charges to avoid a rush. Option A wins.